I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and I'm here to take you on a tour of Perúíbe Beach in Brazil. Before we begin, hit that like button and show your support by leaving a comment. Let's explore the wonders of Perúíbe. As we enter the small coastal town, we are welcomed by lush tropical flora and warm salty air. Whether you're searching for a relaxing vacation or an adventurous getaway, Perúíbe definitely has something for everyone. The best way to discover the hidden gems of Perúíbe is to take a stroll along the beach. We start at the north end and make our way to the south. Along the way, we find a variety of small shops that offer local seafood catches and fruit-flavored ice cream. The shimmering ocean welcomes us with refreshing splashes. There are plenty of spots for lounging in the sun, so be sure to bring your sunblock. Toward the south of the beach, we come across a boardwalk along the cliffs. It's the perfect place to admire the sun-soaked landscape, with coconut palms swaying in the breeze. Climb the stairs up to the lighthouse in the center of the town to get unparalleled views of the ocean. For those who crave adventure, hit the south end of the beach and find Perúibe's hidden surfing spots. Brave the waves and learn to surf like the locals. After all your exploring and adventure, take some time to relax and enjoy the sunset. That's it for our exploration of Perúíbe Beach. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to click that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.
Блядь, walking tour получается вообще. Круто. Место.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!